All right, today I'm going to show you where the oil cap is and where the oil dipstick is on your vehicle in order for you to check the oil and perhaps add the oil on into your vehicle. All right, I'm going to show you where those are at. All right, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so as you can see, I'm standing in front of a vehicle, right? And the hood is open. Now I'm gonna show you where the engine oil dipstick is and the oil cap is on this vehicle, and it could be in a similar place to where you're on your vehicle. But all vehicles are different, and yours is gonna be probably in some other place. So it's important to read your owner's manual for your particular vehicle to find where the oil dipstick and cap is. All right, now with that said, I'm going to walk in, and you see the engine right here. This is the engine. There's a cover over here. You can choose to remove the cover if you want to. It's important to make sure that the cover or the engine is cool or you're touching any of this. And you see right here, this right here, it says engine oil right here. It's backwards because it's turned that way. But if I come around right here, you can see it says engine oil. All right, so you have that. That's the engine oil. And then right here is the dipstick. All right, do you see that dipstick? That is the oil dipstick. You can bring it out and you can check it with those dots down there. And then when you're done, put it back in. Goes in. All right, so you have that. And then you're just gonna go ahead and take this and replace the cover. See that? Place the cover, comes down like this. Voila. All right, and that's how you find the engine oil dipstick and the engine oil cap on a vehicle. I hope this is helpful, helps you guide you on the way in order for you to check your engine oil or perhaps add engine oil. That's where it's located. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.